Now that we have npm installed, we could use it to install everything else we need. So what else do we need? Well, we need the Angular libraries that comprise the Angular framework. We'll want the Angular CLI, which is the command line interface for Angular. We can use the CLI to generate code, execute our application, deploy to production, and much more, as we'll see throughout this course. We need TypeScript, which is the language we use with Angular. And we'll want testing tools, linters, and other supporting libraries. So, do we need to manually install each of these with npm? Luckily, the answer to that question is no, at least not directly. A more common practice is to define a package.json file that lists each package we need for our Angular application. And as you can see, there are many of them. We can also specify the desired version of each package. We then tell npm to use the package.json file to install all of the defined packages along with their dependencies. In the package.json file, the list of packages is divided into two parts. The dependencies list is for the packages we need for development that must also be deployed. The dev dependency list is for the packages we only need for development. The dependency list includes the primary Angular packages, along with supporting packages such as RxJS for working with data. The dev dependencies include the Angular CLI. TypeScript is here in the dev dependencies, since we transpile the code to JavaScript before deployment, and many of these are for unit code tests. By defining a package.json file for our Angular application, we ensure everyone on the team installs the appropriate packages and versions. We'll see how to install all of the packages in the package.json file as we set up our Angular application next.